Hey guys, welcome to Look Like a Star, where we show you how to recreate some trending celebrity looks. Sonakshi Sinha definitely knows how to pull off color, and I don't just mean her fashion choices. She also loves experimenting with her makeup, and today I'm going to show you how to get this latest look of hers in a few easy steps. That was it for the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because we have some amazing stuff out there. We have fanny packs, backpacks, makeup pouches, notebooks, doormats, and a lot more. Click on the link in the description box below to make sure you go check that out. And for more such makeup tutorials, haircare tutorials, and skincare videos, keep watching POPxo Daily.